Today we'll demonstrate the connection method for the 90 kV VLF HIPAA test set with 10 delta measurement for cable testing. First, the main unit components. This is the power connection cable. This is the high voltage output cable. This terminal is a grounding terminal. There's another grounding terminal above. These two grounding terminals are internally connected in parallel. For most tests, we only need to connect one. Next, the ground wire connections here. The equipment ground must connect to the cable's ground wire, and the compensation capacitor's ground wire, to form a common earth connection. This is the compensation capacitor's high voltage cable, connected in parallel with the test object. Here's the main unit's high voltage output. This base cable is the test specimen. The other two phases aren't on the test. Connect them to ground in parallel, at the cable's far end. This phase is the test phase. The other two aren't measured. For dielectric loss testing, use the dedicated cable kit. These cables provide shielding connections. The kit contains 3 wires, with bare copper ends, for creating shielding loops. Now I'll demonstrate the connection. Insert one end into the shielding sample port. Create a shielding loop at the cable's high voltage input end. Using the bare copper section, twist the wire tightly and attach the clamp. This completes the shielding loop. The loop blocks surface leakage currents from the high voltage cable insulation. The instrument measures through the shielded cable, particularly important for damp cables. During dielectric loss testing, the system automatically compensates for leakage currents, ensuring accurate measurement results. This concludes the connection demonstration for the 90 kV VLF HIPAA test set with 10 delta measurement for cable testing. Thank you for watching.